Female, sharp nose.
You're watching one of the longest running studies of coastal sharks in the country.
75 fork length, stretch is 92.
In 45 seconds or less, researchers identify the shark and determine its sex. The shark is then examined, measured, and tagged. The tag is inserted just under the shark's thick skin, so the creature isn't harmed.
Fish in water.
Every shark that we collect or sample, we're getting measurements from them, and it's all going into a database that we can then look at and try and figure out what's going on with their populations over time. So I think every shark that we collect and take data on is making a difference. Just having the up-close perspective to see these guys, you know, a couple inches from their face, looking at their eyes and just the shape of their body is pretty interesting to me.
The process is precise and efficient.
Fork length is 70 and a half. Stretch length is 86. Yeah, no parasites. Flesh is nice and firm.
A shark can't survive out of water for long because water must flow over the shark's gills for it to breathe. Researchers from the University of North Carolina Institute of Marine Sciences have caught, examined, and released sharks in the same way and in the same locations off the coast of North Carolina since the study of coastal shark populations began back in 1972.
Right. And by the way we know these are sharp nose, the way that a lot of the carcharinids, which is this family of sharks that's fairly common, the basic way you tell them apart is by the different fins. And the second dorsal fin, you see if you drew a line across the body, down here's the anal fin. See how it's that far back? That's as far back as it'll be. When you do this continuously, paying attention that you're doing it in the same way so the results are interpretable across time, it's an extraordinary ability to actually see those ups and downs and actually get a sense at the scale that matches the lifespan of particularly these organisms. Get a real sense for what's happening. Also, when you have changes, and those changes take place over decades, you can only detect them when you follow them for decades. So the scale and the fact that this has been done continuously, we're now in our 43rd year of gathering these data, is very rare and very valuable, and it gives insights that you cannot get from anything else.
Bait the hooks and put your shark line eye. Of course, you get different type of species. No, it's exciting. Matter of fact, you never know what you're going to expect to see or whatever. It's really enjoyable.
The first sampling location is about 1 mile off Shackelford Banks. The water is about 35 feet deep. The second location is roughly 7 miles farther out to sea. The water depth there is about 70 feet. After every 5 hooks, a flotation buoy is attached to the line.
Generally, we put 100 hooks on a given line these days.
Okay.
And they're about every 15 to 16 feet. And because the long line itself is looping down, so you have some hooks that are nearer to the surface, some are in mid-water, some near the bottom, and then it comes back up. So when the long line's deployed, it's fishing a good bit of the whole water column.
The line is brought in after an hour, and then the science begins.
The way you can tell the sex, you come here to the pelvic fins, and if these extensions are present, called claspers, it's a male. If those are absent, it's female.
38 species of sharks have been identified off the North Carolina coast in the almost 45 years the project has been tracking offshore shark populations. Scientists say there are so many species of sharks found here because the state is located at the edge of the mid-Atlantic and the subtropic currents. That brings plenty of fish to the area, and an abundance of food attracts plenty of sharks. The study runs from May through October. That's when the water warms and coastal migrations bring the most fish to the region.
I think the most fascinating thing to me is just how long they've been around. I mean, they're obviously perfectly made for this environment.
But overall, The study finds the shark population is not doing well.
The great sharks, of whom we had 11 species of the major great sharks, bull sharks are included in that, all of those 11 showed dramatic declines. The declines are in the order of 87%, 96%, all numbers in that ballpark of all the great sharks. Okay, all 11 species of great sharks showed evidence of decline.
Fishing for sharks, and for the fish species that sharks count on for food, is believed to have caused the dramatic decline in the numbers of great sharks, but the survey is finding the population of smaller sharks is dropping too.
The record reveals that abundances are down for all species of sharks. For the great sharks, the large ones, the great hammerhead, tiger shark, bull shark, all the larger species, they're down dramatically. For those intermediate sizes, for those species, the numbers are down as well.
Scientists don't know why the entire shark population is dropping or what is bringing sharks so close to shore this summer and into contact with swimmers. The survey continues, with the broader question now being asked, is the decline in the shark population a sign of deeper problems in the ocean?
Sharks are the top predators in the food chain, and they're a good indicator if we're trying to understand if something's wrong with regard to the sharks, their abundances, if there's changes in which sharks are there. It's one more way that we can look at the whole coastal ecology and begin to get some sort of sense, some real measure of how it may or may not be changing.